Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're checking out Buffer, a website that offers everything social media, all in one comprehensive platform. Right now, right off the bat, they just flaunt the number of active users and posts happening last month. The social media platforms that they support, we've got 11 social media platforms. You can integrate it instantly with all of these platforms and schedule posts right on the go. It's also got an AI assistant to help you post, to help you make write up these nice catchy captions, reply to comments in a flash right from this platform, collaborate with everybody, so it's like really in depth. And also, of course, the analytics, which is something that's very prominent with most of these social media planning platforms. So let's delve more into the platforms or Buffer. You can create content right on here. From doing to done. So it's got like a great organizer that helps you organize your plan, because when people need to do this for a living, they have multiple posts to do a day for multiple platforms, for multiple people sometimes, and it's also very important. You can collaborate, as I mentioned, publish. So this is just us sort of going into a preliminary look into Buffer. These are the different platforms that you have. Blue Sky, you've got Google Business Profile, LinkedIn. That's like the whole shebang. Mastodon, never heard of that. Threads, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. So let's look at the pricing. It's got flexible pricing. So there is a free one, and they say free forever. I love that. 10 schedules posts per channel, 100 ideas, one user account, one AI assistant. That's actually a great deal for free. We've got $5 a month with a 14-day free trial, unlimited posts, unlimited ideas, one account too. So that's like to begin with. And you've got, so this is for a team, an entire team. You've got $10 a month. I'd say that it's pretty well priced. I'm not going to lie. So yeah, have you used Buffer or do you use another platform? Let us know in the comments. If you want me to check out anything else and also make a video on it, let me know. Subscribe for more, and thank you so much for watching.